Hello. What's going on, everyone? I am very excited today, if you can't tell. Not only because I get to review and test a very cool item from Tonor, the Q9 microphone kit. Yes, this is the same company that brought us the mic boom arm that you guys really seem to love. But I also get to announce that at the end of this video that we will be giving this microphone kit away. This entire kit right here. We'll be giving it away to one lucky winner. That's right, we just hit 9K on the channel, and I thought what better way to give back to all of you in the visuals fam than by giving away a product that I myself am already very stoked on. So let's go ahead and roll that intro and get right into it. Let's go.
URCD Key has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices on their Microsoft Office 2016 bundle that comes with a Windows 10 license as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in your product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, type in my promo code, once again RAV20, and see the sweet savings appear. Check the links in the video description to learn more.
Alright, so since I've had a great relationship with the folks over at Tonor and have already reviewed a few of their products, I was very excited to get this mic kit and check it out for you guys because I believe it's in a price bracket that is suitable for a budget setup, coming in at $70, and it has all the features and accessories that you will need to get set up and gaming with your friends, streaming with your community, or even doing some kind of voiceover work. So let's dive right into this kit and see what you're gonna get for your money. Getting the box open, we first see a bit of literature as always. That way you can get to know your way around the microphone and its accessories. Then you'll see a pop filter that looks to be the same one that came with my boom arm that I currently use from Tonor. So very nice. It's super flexible so you can bend it into the position that you desire, and it has a really great mounting clip on the end that screws into place. This will help prevent those plosion sounds from your voice that come out when you're sitting pretty close to the mic. Next, we have the USB cable that plugs into the bottom of the microphone. I'll show that to you guys in a minute. And it's about 6 feet long, so it should be long enough to route wherever you need it. But again, I'll make a point about that and kind of like point something out about that towards the end of the video after we get the microphone set up. After that, you can see the included shock mount. Yes, super cool they're including this in the kit because they're very nice for if you happen to bump your mic arm or if you move it frequently back and forth or something like that from talking and doing something. It will quite literally help take the shock out of these movements and reduce the bump noise going into the mic. It also has these little clips on the side that make it very easy to slide the mic into. Next, you get a foam windscreen as well that you can use if you want more protection from those plosion sounds or outside noise from the microphone. And next we can take a look at the actual mic arm itself. Now unfortunately it's not the larger one that I currently own, but it's more of like I'd say the little brother to that arm. It's still all black though, and even the springs on the side of it are painted black, which look really nice, and they also allow the arm to bend in many different configurations, whether you prefer the mic in front of you or in like a hanging position going down that way or something else even. For how small it is, it actually looks pretty sturdy and should be plenty to hold a mic of the size we're going to be getting in this kit. Along with the arm, you get the base plate that it sets into, and it also looks very sturdy and should be good for clamping onto your desk and holding your mic arm into place. Now lastly, we have the microphone itself. This microphone has a 16mm large diaphragm capsule with a wide frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It features a cardioid pickup pattern, which means you should be speaking, singing, or recording directly in front of the capsule where the blue light and the volume buttons are on the mic. Speaking of those, this mic has convenient volume buttons that allow you to adjust the volume up and down on the fly, and if you long press either of those buttons, it actually mutes the mic as well. Okay, so now that we have taken a look at everything that comes in the kit, let's get it set up at my desk and test it out. First thing we need to do is mount the base plate to my desk. Super simple, just size it up to the thickness of my desk and screw it in tight. Next, we can take the mic arm and mount it into the base and start positioning it where we might want it, tightening the wing nuts on the bends of the arm to hold it into position and hold it into place. After that, let's take the shock mount and screw it into the end of the mic arm and position it where we want it to hold our mic. And after we do that, we can squeeze onto the clips on the shock mount and place the mic into the mount and let go of the clips so they hold the mic in place. Then we can grab the mic cable, plug it into the bottom of the mic, and run it under the desk or wherever you choose for cable management. Lastly, we can mount our pop filter on the arm and position it in front of the mic so we can protect ourselves from those plosive sounds and maybe when we get excited in game or something like that. All we have to do after that is simply plug in the mic and make sure it is our preferred device for voice in Windows. So now that we have it all set up, let's run a few tests with the Q9 mic kit.
Alright guys, so this is the Tonor Q9 right here, and you're hearing me talk through it right now, so we're going to do a couple little tests. And we're going to see what this sounds like in just a, you know, sort of little bit treated environment. Alright guys, so this is the Tonor Q9 right here, and you're hearing me talk through it right now. So we're going to do a couple little tests, and we're going to see what this sounds like in just a, you know, sort of little bit treated environment with, you know, the usual ambient noise that's in my personal space to see how it takes that stuff away and if it does at all, and to see how well it does with just recording my voice. So let me get right here where it should be. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, test, boom, boom. There you go. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, test, boom, boom. There you go. So there's a couple little tests right there for you guys to determine. And let's go ahead and just be completely quiet for a minute and see how it does with its sound floor when you're recording with this mic. So I'm going to be quiet. Here we go. Alright guys, another thing you can do with this mic, and they even advertise this on their Amazon listing, is that you can record music with it. So I'm gonna strum a few chords for you guys and see how it does with picking up some sound from a guitar. So I've angled it a little bit more down towards the actual opening of the guitar. I believe this is how you're supposed to do it. If I'm doing this wrong and you guys are audio people, sorry, but this is the best way I can see to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this real quick and see how it does. So let's play a few chords here.
Okay, so hopefully you guys got a little bit of idea of what it can sound like in a somewhat quiet environment for recording. But what if you're streaming? What does it sound like then? So let's hear it while streaming with some background music real quick. Alright guys, so this is the Tonor Q9 microphone, and doing just a little test while I'm streaming. Little music going, all sorts of stuff. So this is what it sounds like if you were to stream with it. Just so you guys know, my mic volume is at level about 86 in Windows. That's kind of what it defaulted to, and then I kind of just adjusted it with my streaming software, put a little music in the background, and this is what it sounds like. So there you go. Now let's hear that again, but let's hear it while streaming without any background music. Alright everyone, so this is the Q9 with no music on, just streaming, just me talking, hanging out,
talking to my stream, my chat, and everything like that, and having some fun in Minecraft. I just died again, but whatever. No big deal. But we're just having some fun, testing the microphone. Tell me what you guys think of it in the comments below. Would you guys want to stream with this mic? Would it sound good enough for you guys? And what do you think it sounds like compared to other mics?
Alright guys, so that's the Q9 mic kit and what it sounds like in a couple of environments. So what are some things that you may need to be looking for when purchasing this mic? To be honest with you, setup was super easy and only took minutes to get it tweaked to my liking. The one thing you may want to keep in mind is just the length of the USB cable that comes with it. If you're planning on routing it along the mic arm and under your desk, it probably isn't long enough depending on the length of your desk and everything, so you're gonna need a USB cable extension to reach your PC. And don't worry, you can pick up one of those off of Amazon for very cheap, and I'll have one linked in the description for you guys. Other than that, just make sure you either use the buttons on the front of the mic or go into the sound control panel and tweak the volume of your mic to a suitable level for what you'll be doing so that you won't be too loud or too quiet. Now, I said I was going to be giving this mic kit away at the end of the video, and here we are. So once again, I really want to thank all of you for getting us here to 9K on the channel, and it means the world to me that you guys enjoy my content, and I can't tell you how crazy it's been to see all of the positive reactions from you guys. So if you want to win this mic kit, here's how to enter. You first need to like the video and subscribe to me here on the channel if you're not already. Just so you guys know, I will be checking this part of the requirements. So please make sure you subscribe or I will have to re-roll and find a winner who is subscribed to the channel, okay? So next, you just have to pop over to my Twitch channel and give me a follow there. That's it. I will be choosing the winner next Wednesday, so you have about a week to get your entries in, everybody. I included a couple other ways to enter, like following me on Twitter and Instagram, but the only ones that are absolutely mandatory are the ones that I just listed before. I also want to point out that this giveaway should be international, but given the current times we're in, if you guys live in a country that will basically take forever for me to ship to, I will apologize in advance, but I will do my best to get it to you guys as fast as I can. Or if you're in a country that for whatever reason simply won't allow the US to ship to you, at that point I'm out of options and I'll have to choose a new winner, so I apologize. But with all of that mumbo jumbo aside, please check the link in the description for the contest entry, and again, please follow the rules for entering. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.